what's up? I'm Kylie and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. When I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So today I'm back with another Select a Shade collab video, which we do once a month, which was put together by the amazing Amethyst Winters. If you see the hashtag in my title of this video, if you click on that, it'll bring up everyone's videos where you can check out their videos very easily. I highly recommend that you do because they are an awesome group of ladies and you will not regret checking them out. And it's also very fun to see how we all interpret the colors differently, so it's a lot of fun. If you've never seen this collab before, I'll run it down really quickly. Basically, there is 8 of us. Each of us pick a color. It can be any color we want to pick. Normally we don't have a theme. Sometimes we do. This month we don't. And we have to use all 8 of those colors on our face somewhere. It used to be on our eyes specifically, but since it's gotten to be so much, we've put it now where it can be on our face, but it does have to be an eyeshadow. And we are allowed to add colors to it, but we cannot omit any of the 8 colors that each of us chose. So like I said, it's always fun to see how everyone, interprets the different colors. So this is the color story that we are working with this month. This was put together by the awesome Lisa at Banning, Panning, and Beyond. So I'm going to quickly run down the colors that I chose to use from my collection and who chose what color. So I'll start with mine. I chose Peridot since it's August's birthstone. And I decided to go into my I Heart Revolution Tasty Avocado palette. And I'm going into the color Green Gold right here. Oops, have a brief moment. So there's that one. And then Desi chose like a fuchsia pink color. So I'm going into Devinah's Magellanic, which is like this. I think I pronounced that right. I'm so sorry if I didn't. Like that. And then Andy chose an olive gold, so I'm going into my Pat McGrath little palette right here, and I'm just going into this one right here. Naomi chose a dark brown, so I'm going into my Dandylion Cosmetics, and I'm going into the color Semi Sweet right here. And Teresa picked a bright yellow, so I'm going to go into my Peachy Queen Tarot 3 palette, and I'm going into the color Moonstone right here. And then Jen from Amethyst Winters picked a copper, so I'm going into Lele Posh's color Penny right here. And Andrea from Pretty as a Peacock picked Hot Pink. So I'm staying with Lele Posh. I'm going into their color Cherry Blossom right here. And finally, Lisa from Banning, Panning, and Beyond picked a deep matte orange. And based on the color that she picked for her little swatch, I decided to go into my Aether Beauty Joshua Tree palette, and I'm going into the color Rosewood right here. So this is the color story that I am working with right here. Very pretty. I really like it. I think it's really nice, so I'm excited to create a look with it. I did actually use the pink already. I used it as my blush, so the pink is already done. So I'm just going to not ramble on anymore, and we're just going to get into creating a look with the rest of the colors. So to start off, I'm going in with the color that Lisa picked, the deep matte orange, and I'm just going to put that in my crease and socket area. I have not been consistent on uploading at all lately, and I apologize. I've just been in kind of like a funk lately of, I don't know, trying to figure out where I want to take my channel. Obviously I still want to do makeup on it, but I really love the paranormal, if you couldn't tell when I do my Friday Frights. But I'd really love to do more of that. I just don't want to like freak people out, because my love for the paranormal is like, I love it. I'm such a weirdo. I don't know why my ring light keeps, it's, sorry if you see any like flashing. I've got to fix it. Plus my schedule's been kind of different this month, and yeah, and this summer's just been going by so fast, and yeah, August has not been kind to me with like wanting to upload videos and stuff. It just hasn't worked out. so this is my finished look right here. I like it. I think it actually didn't come out too bad. I actually don't mind this look. I think it's kind of pretty. I kind of like the way these colors blended together. I wish I had been able to get the pink on my eyes, but I couldn't figure out a place to put it. I thought of maybe putting it under my lower lash line with the yellow, but I just didn't think that that would look good, so I did just use it as my blush. But I think that it came out, you know, kind of pretty. I kind of like it. So yeah, I'm sorry if my energy was really off on this video. Let you in on a little secret. I don't feel good. I woke up with a migraine and I took my like acute medicine and I thought it was away enough, and it's just kind of like lingering back. So as the video went on, I'm just kind of like fading and fading and fading. So I apologize that I seem kind of in this video. So yeah, I'm so sorry. But anyway, I always have fun doing this video, and once again, thank you to Jen, aka Amethyst Winters, for inviting me to do this collab. It's so fun, it's always so challenging, it really gets me thinking, and it always gets me using different palettes and shadows in my collection because I have to try and match what everyone picks. And I just really enjoy that, even though in this video I probably seemed like I was really dead. So don't forget to hit the hashtag in my title, and it'll take you to all the ladies' videos. I highly suggest you check them out because they are awesome, and you will not regret watching their videos. So anyway, that is it for this video, my celestial cupcakes. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I get it. I know I'm not one of the cool kids, and I definitely seem dead today, but that's okay. And I still thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really appreciate it. I also send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by, so thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles listed below in case you'd like to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable, but of course we're all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!